This is the organic spice, aka Epis. I have my green peppers, red peppers, scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, scallion, and parsley. You don't have to blend the parsley in there, but you can if you want to. And the hot pepper, I don't blend it in. The scotch bonnet, you don't have to blend it in the spice because some of the dishes you'll be making, you might not want it to be spicy. So this is mostly for decoration, but you definitely need the scallion, garlic, green pepper, red pepper to give it. And also when you're ready to cook, you can add let's say you're seasoning your meat, you could get a few spoons of the seasoning and with some lime juice, with the addition of garlic, the garlic powder. You could use that, the garlic salt. You can use the chicken cube, the type of dry seasoning that you use. You could also add it in addition of this. Happy cooking, y'all. Bye.